Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw self-employed retirement contributions and reduce taxable income, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your self-employed retirement account type. Identify if you have a SEP IRA, solo 401k, or a simple IRA. Gather necessary documentation related to your retirement contributions. Understand the withdrawal rules specific to your retirement account type. For a SEP IRA, note that contributions can be withdrawn at any time, but may incur taxes. For a solo 401k, early withdrawals can trigger penalties if you're under 59 and a half. Simple IRAs generally have a 2-year waiting period before penalty-free withdrawals. Review your total contributions for the year to avoid excess contribution penalties. Calculate your taxable income for the current tax year, factoring in your retirement contributions. Consider using tax software or consulting a tax advisor to ensure accuracy. Prepare a withdrawal request through your retirement account provider. Fill out any required forms accurately and completely. Submit your withdrawal request according to your account provider's guidelines. Keep copies of all submitted forms and confirmation of your withdrawal request. Once processed, monitor your account to confirm the withdrawal is completed. Plan for the tax implications of your withdrawal, including any necessary estimated tax payments. Documentation is key, so save all records related to the withdrawal for tax purposes. Regularly review your retirement plan to stay informed on contribution limits and tax strategies. Adjust your future contributions based on your financial goals and tax situation. Stay compliant with IRS regulations to avoid complications. Consider regular consultations with a financial advisor for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.